the new session of our term 2. We are going to start the studies same way as we were going on with first term. That is, we will send you the videos of our lessons, and without wasting time, just let's start our first chapter of our semester 2, that is term 2 of our subject social science. First of all, before starting, I will give you the overview of our chapter. What is there in this chapter first, that is lesson first. The name is Medieval Gujarat. As the name suggests, this chapter is about Gujarat, where you are going to study the information given about our Gujarat state. In India, Gujarat state. Okay, Medieval Gujarat. This is, you can also say that it is the history of Gujarat. This chapter will give you the history, the knowledge about our Gujarat, about our ancient Gujarat. So, first of all, in this chapter there is a small introduction. Yes, small introduction with about our historical city, Nilwar Patan. It is also in Gujarat, only here in our state, Gujarat. And then this chapter will go on with the story of how this historical city Nilwar origin. ये सिटी कैसे, ये विलेज, ये सिटी कैसे ओरिजिन हुआ, कैसे इसमें दूसरे किंग्स आए, वो हमारे इस चैप्टर में हम एक्सप्लेन, मतलब आपको एक्सप्लेनेशन मिलेगा. नेक्स्ट इज we are going to study about the different dynasties which ruled over Gujarat. Basically, they ruled over, first they started ruling over Nilwar Patan, and then they ruled over Gujarat. पूरे गुजरात पे भी they started ruling. Which dynasties were there? Chavla dynasty, Solanki dynasty and Waghela dynasty. These three dynasties were there. In this chapter, these three dynasties are important, and they started ruling over Gujarat. So we are going to learn about these three dynasties. Then, yes, whenever we are going to learn about any dynasty, we cannot forget the administration of that dynasty, how they were ruling, how they were governing their state, how they were how they were looking into every matters of their state, that we are going to learn. Okay, administration of their rule. Then there is architecture and culture. We also cannot forget the architecture and culture which was there when these dynasties were ruling. It is very important. If we are learning history of anything, then we have to go through their culture, their architecture, their administration. So this is the overview of the chapter. You will get to know mostly about Gujarat in this chapter. So let's get started. So now let's proceed with our lesson. As I told you, first in the lesson we will be having an introduction. And in the introduction, what is there? Yes, story. Always in the history you will first have a story which is given in the introduction. Here also a small story is there. A story starts with a man roamed about a village street playing a song on his Ramanatha. Means there was a man who was roaming from one village street to another village street. एक village street से दूसरे village street पर roam कर रहा था, घूम रहा था, and while roaming he was playing a song on his Ramanatha. What is Ramanatha? Means he was singing a song. Okay. So what is Ramanatha? Ramanatha means a bowed violin. It is a type of a violin. It is an ancient stringed musical instrument. पुराने समय में एक इंस्ट्रूमेंट होता था जिसमें स्ट्रिंग्स लगी हुई होती थी, तो दैट इज अ काइंड ऑफ अ वायलिन ओनली, बट इन olden days it was used. So now also a man was roaming with he was also singing a song and playing that Ramanatha. And what happened? What happens, can you guess? Yes, whenever there is any activity in a village, who are more curious, who are more interested to see or to join that? Children. So same thing happened. A group of small children also came, and they also roamed with that man from one village to another village. So the village के जो छोटे बच्चे थे, they also joined him and they also started singing with him. Okay. So what was special about it? Special was a song which he was singing, he was playing. जो song को play कर रहा था. The songs was, the lyrics of the song, the wordings of the song were, चेला जी रे મારી માટે પાટણથી પટોળા મૂંગા લાવજો. What is important here? પાટણથી પટોળા. Actually, the many children were singing the same wordings, same lyrics गा रहे थे वो. But among them, Pratik was there, and Pratik, when he came back to his home, he asked his grandfather about what is Patanji Patola. I will tell you what is Patan and Patola. Patan is a place in Gujarat, and Patola is a kind of a cloth, silk sari you can call it. Silk sari, which is specially manufactured in Patan. Patan में साड़ी का manufacturing होता है. It is a type of a cloth, and it is very costly cloth. It is worn. It was earlier worn by the royal family. Kings and queens उसको पहले पहनते थे, and then nowadays it was worn by many people. But the original Patola sarees are very costly, and that is why it is, you can say, specialty of Patan area. So now Pratik asked the same to his grandfather. His grandfather was having a wealth of historical anecdotes. Means उसके grandfather के पास बहुत सारी historical information थी. Many real incidents which were there in earlier days history में जो चीजें हुई थी वो उसके grandfather को पता थी. His grandfather was very much aware about the history, and he starts telling the details of this Patan area and Patola area to his grandson Pratik. Okay, then he first told him that if you want to learn about this Patan, then you must have an overview. You must get informed about our Gujarat first. What information is there, what history of Gujarat is there, you must be aware. So, in earlier days, Gujarat was ruled by 3 dynasties. One by one 3 dynasties. First is Chavda dynasty, then is Solanki dynasty, then means after Chavda dynasty came Solanki dynasty, and the last one was Waghela dynasty. These 3 dynasties were ruling, and when these 3 dynasties were ruling, Gujarat was a very prosperous area, state, बहुत prosperous state था, and it was very much means उसका नाम बहुत famous था, जाता था. It is the story, means these 3 dynasties ruled around 560 years ago. 560 years पहले इन dynasties ने rule किया था, from you can say around 746 C to 1304 C. You have to remember these dates. 746 C to 1304 C. These 3 dynasties started ruling. इन dynasties ने इतना rule किया है. During their rule, जब ये rule कर रहे थे, उनका जो capital था, that was Anilpur Patan. Remember, ये भी आपको याद रखना है. The question can be asked from this. During their rule, the capital was Anilpur Patan, and currently, this Anilpur Patan is known as Annavada village. It is situated in the west of Patan. हमारे Patan, अभी भी हमारा Patan हमारे अहमदाबाद के पास में है. This west of Patan में there is a village, Annavada village. Currently it is known as Annavada, but earlier its name was Anilpur Patan. So this was the story, and the story continues. First, one by one, his grandfather told him about every dynasty. He starts with Chavda dynasty. So we will also start with the same, and let's continue our lesson. Now let's proceed with the further story. First, we are going to learn about Chavda dynasty. This dynasty was the first to rule over Gujarat. This dynasty ruled over Gujarat in 7th century. Remember this. When this dynasty came in 7th century, and it ruled over Gujarat, mainly Panchase. Panchase is the name of a place. It was the capital of Chavda dynasty. Chavda dynasty के rulers की capital Panchase है. Panchase थी. Now the famous ruler, the first ruler you can say was Jai Shikhari, who established this dynasty. But there is a twist in the story. The twist is like when Jai Shikhari, as he was a king, So many kings what they do always, they are interested in wars, they are interested in extending their territories. So that is why in a war, Jai Shikhari had attacked Martyrdom. Now Jai Shikhari, when he was in a war, जब वो एक लड़ाई कर रहे थे, there he was killed by the opposition and means by their competitors. He was killed, and at that time, what happened? His wife fled away. मतलब उसकी wife भाग गई because to save herself. Jai Shikhari was killed. Now nothing can happen. He cannot be brought back. So what happened now? His wife is alive. So she also ran away, and she gave birth to the son of Jai Shikhari. The name of that son was Vanraj Chavda. Means कहीं पे वो भाग गई और वहाँ पे उसने एक सन को बर्थ दिया, that is Vanraj Chavda. उसका नाम था Vanraj Chavda. So who is Vanraj Chavda? Same. He is the son of Jai Shikhari. Jai Shikhari का son था. Now story continues. What happened? Vanraj Chavda, when he grew up, he wanted to recapture the territory of his father Jai Shikhari. जो उसके father की area थी, वो चाहता था कि वो उसे वापस से हासिल करे. His father's area at that time was ruined. It was totally damaged, devastated. सब खत्म हो गया था, वहाँ कुछ बाकी नहीं था. But still वनराज wanted कि हम किसी भी तरह से अपने father का जो पूरा capital, पूरा area है, उसको recapture करें. So that is why his mother also supported, and she also wanted कि जो उसके father का था पूरा वो उसके बेटे को मिले. And after that, he founded a new kingdom on the banks of river Saraswati. There was a river Saraswati. Saraswati नदी के वहाँ he founded a new kingdom. एक नया राज्य उसने खोला. Means उसने एक नया राज्य उसने ढूंढा. And in this, one more interesting thing is there. In this, his friend Anhil Barwad, remember this name? Anhil Barwad assisted. He helped him. वनराज का बहुत अच्छा फ्रेंड, बिकॉज उसके बेस्ट फ्रेंड था अनिल बारवाड़. ही हेल्प्ड हिम टू रिकैप्चर हिज फादर्स टेरिटरी, एंड ही हेल्प्ड हिम टू फाइंड द न्यू किंगडम on the banks of river Saraswati. That is why Vanraj was made the king. Sure, but his friend was also not less. So to reward his friend, what he did, he named his territory on the name of his friend. Anhil के नाम से उसने नाम रखा Anhilwad Patan. So now you come to know that how this Patan came to origin. अब यहाँ हमें पता चल रहा है कि Patan कैसे origin हुआ था. Okay, I hope you understood. Once again, his friend Anhil Barwad, Vanraj's friend Anhil Barwad, assisted him, helped him in recapturing the new territory which was on the banks of river Saraswati, and to reward his friend, उसके friend को thanks करने के लिए उसने name ही अपने friend के ऊपर रख दिया था Anhilwad Patan. Vanraj was ruling, but नाम अपने मतलब कि उसने अपने friend के name पे रखा. This was the story of Chavda dynasty. Chavda dynasty ruled for 196 years. Remember that. It ruled for 196 years, and Vanraj solely, अकेले Vanraj ने 60 years तक राज किया था. Remember this thing. Okay. So now here, this Chavda dynasty topic is completed. So this was all about today's video. In today's video, I have explained you about, I have given you the introduction about Patan, Anhilwad Patan, and I have explained you about the first dynasty, that is Chavda dynasty. Further dynasties and the remaining story, we will learn in the next video. Till then, watch the videos and go through the textbook. Thank you and have a nice day.